No, everyone. No. No, no, no. Here we go. Welcome to Lucky Puppy, the Puppy Town ripoff or second coming of Puppy Town. I'm very angry. I'm very, very sad. We are here again with another puppy scam app, guys. We all know the deal. I cannot believe we are here again, bro. No! Why? Google, why? Why allow this on your door? Why are we here again? Oh my god. Guys, we have the same routine again. The same exact setup as Puppy Town, man. I'm so done. Win an iPhone 11 Pro. Get 100 of the puzzle pieces. Get an AirPods Pro. 100 of the puzzle pieces. Everyone, we are so screwed. As a society, people preying on people that are desperate for money, we're screwed. There's developers that are actively preying on you out there, and it makes me absolutely astounded that this is allowed. Like, I'm just shocked. I'm shocked, everyone. I can't handle it. I can't do it, everyone. I can't believe it. There is another puppy merge app, and the thing is, this is littered, absolutely littered with negative reviews, by the way, with the same reviews that Puppy Town had. Legitimately, people are saying the same exact things that they said for Puppy Town, but now for Lucky Puppy. Thank God someone on YouTube, one of my viewers, recommended me to see this app. I never would have seen it, dude. I don't know if they're spamming ads or not, but at the end of the day, over 500,000 people have downloaded this app so far. It's coming, everyone. Lucky Puppy is coming, and I can almost guarantee you will be spammed with ads very, very soon. As you can see, this is, as I said, the exact same layout as Puppy Town. It's just a little bit more crisper, it looks like. It looks a little bit more nicer, graphics-wise, but it's the exact same situation right now. Guys, I'm shocked. I really am. I was expecting to see the real-life money thing at the top of the screen, but I guess they're taking that out. So, no more are they promising real-life cash by the looks of it. They're just promising real-life prizes. And the funniest thing is, everyone, all they're offering, legitimately, all they're offering this time around, instead of the stupid sneakers and the juicer and the scales, they're only offering an iPhone 11 Pro or AirPods Pro. And that's it. That's all the prizes at the moment for Lucky Puppy, everyone. Don't you worry about that. They will change that probably very soon to upgrade the prize center to allow more fake prizes. I don't know what to do. What do we do here, everyone? What would you do? Like, can you report these apps? Like, can anyone actually report these apps? Does anyone actually know? Is there anything we can do? Because these apps are not real. They are not real. Look at the reviews. I had some people, I've actually gone into some conversations with people on my videos where they say, how are these apps technically a scam? Okay? How are they a scam when you don't give real life money? Guys, to get scammed doesn't mean you give real life money. To get scammed means you're getting tricked. People get tricked when they play these apps. They see the advertisements and they see, oh my god, you can make thousands of dollars a month on merging puppies together. That's awesome. Let me play this app. Right there, you've been tricked. That's how they get you. And that's why people are so angry. Why do you think people are watching my videos? They're not watching it because I'm merging stupid dogs together. They're watching it because they've been scammed and they're upset. And I'm the voice of reason here when it comes to these apps to tell you, yes, you have been scammed, but it's okay. Just don't play these apps anymore. The chance of you winning real life money on an app is literally probably 95% never going to happen. It's never going to happen, everyone, okay? I know, I have legitimately heard there's some apps out there that do pay. Apparently there's an app called Missed Play that actually does pay out. I haven't played it yet on my channel, and an app called Clip Claps. I've done it once on my channel, but I was a little bit skeptical. I might have to try these apps out again. I might have to do it. Because it's getting to the point where there are so many apps that are just scams. Literally that. And apparently this app will try and force ads down your throat, by the way. Because what ends up happening is, it's good at the start, but eventually you're going to have to watch ads. To, you know, add the extra kennels or merge the dogs together or buy the proper dogs. It's a hell of a situation. An absolute mess. And I don't know what to tell you. Enter your opinion here up to 200 words. Stop scamming the public. Seriously, dude. Love, Vince. There you go, that's my feedback. That's my feedback. Stop scamming the public. Love Vince. It's a joke. One day, dude, one day, Karma will get these guys. And hopefully, I've had talks with people. They want to do class action lawsuits. I have no idea. I have no idea how that all works, everyone. I don't get involved with that. All I do is sit on my computer, make an 8-minute video, literally just drilling scam apps. All you need is 8 minutes. It allows me to get paid by YouTube properly. I'm not lying, dude. It helps me get paid by YouTube. 8-minute video, simple. And you get all the information you need in 8 minutes. I'm saving you months of your life by you watching an 8-minute video. You can't complain, dude. It's literally such a simple setup. What's this? Norwitz Terrier. Anyway, so yeah, same setup. We have another puppy app on the prowl. Be careful, everyone. It's going to be the exact same layout as Puppy Town. Expect the exact same stuff. It's an absolute scam, and I can't believe. I just can't believe we're here again. I thought Puppy Town was beaten. I thought it was over. But then all of a sudden, here comes Lucky Puppy. Dude, it's incredible to me. It's the exact same setup as Puppy Town, bro. I kid you not. It's crazy. I can't believe what world I've entered into by playing these apps on my channel. I just can't believe it. I can't believe what's out there. It's incredible to me. Like, Google needs to do something, but they won't. Google won't. I'm telling you. I'm not watching any ads, by the way. I'm trying my best to ignore every single ad. If you notice, every time a pop-up has appeared, it asks me to watch an ad. I'm trying to be more clever than that, though, everyone, and actually knock back the ads, okay? So keep that in mind. So there is auto-merge here, but I think you have to watch an ad. Yes, you do. I'm not watching any ads. I refuse to give the developer money. There is no way I'm watching ads. Look at this, man. He's blocking my stuff here. I know, I know. Hot money, hot money, hot money. Yeah. I have all this cash. That's great. Thank you very much, app, for that. I appreciate it. I'm going to be a big winner, everyone. I'm going to win my iPhone 11 and my AirPods. You're going to see me walking around with AirPods thanks to the Lucky Puppy. Sure. Sure, bro. Don't know what to tell you, man. I really hope that, yeah, you guys are switched on with this stuff. You don't get scammed. And I hope my video has saved you a lot of time. Guys, stay away from Lucky Puppy. Hopefully it gets completely destroyed in the reviews. Only time will tell, though. I know it is already, though. It is already. People are aware now. I love it. I love that so many people are catching on to how bad these apps really are. It's so good. It's such a good feeling, dude. It's like to know that you've actually helped someone out there. It's such a good feeling. I'm just a little YouTuber as well. I'm nothing big, dude. I'm just here just trying to have some fun making videos on the side. You know what I mean? At home. But to know that you guys are watching and enjoying and subscribing, it makes my day. So thank you so much for all the support, guys. Honestly. We'll see what kind of mischief we can get up to next year as well, but I can't believe that there's a Lucky Puppy app. Can't believe we're here again, dude. I'm so happy I was able to catch it early, though. Thank God one of my viewers told me about it, honestly. But yeah, so that's the story. Stay away from this scam. It needs to be destroyed. Maybe one day soon Google will do something about it. I doubt it, but either way, I will catch you all in the next video, guys. Check out my channel for more. Stay safe. See you later.